after ako mag-perform, lagi ako emotional, in which, yes, actually, pero ngayon na-realize ko, ngayon sabi ko, may buhok mo! Okay. Sana ba ako? Yes, so napansin ko every time after mag-perform ako, lagi akong emotional. And kasi totoo naman talaga, I get so emotional because it really means a lot to me to be able to perform in front of you guys. But this time, parang hindi na ako emotional. Hindi, it's because may na-notice ako, parang this time I feel more empowered and yung sobrang lakas ko dahil sa pagmamahal. And na-realize ko din, especially when I was with the Beanie Girls, na parang kung ano man yung pagdaanan mo or whatever that will come your way, just face it with love and strength. And especially ngayon, relating it to the song that I chose, which is Woman. Ang hirap maging babae. It's hard to be a woman. Ang hirap kasi parang ang daming sabi na dapat ganito ka, huwag ka ganyan. Pero that's what I love about being a woman. Kasi we get to be strong and at the same time we get to release our divine feminine energy. Yes. And may isa pang woman after me na eto, she also has a very unique personality aside from all the other girls. And etong babaeng to, she's not only bubbly, but she is also strong. So I hope everybody here, let's all give some warmth, some love.